Hurry up, man. Be careful in the streets, brother, because you know it already.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place and so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless everyone, greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Pick up on yourself, welcome to Linefoot TV. Brand new day, brand new week, the 10th of July. We have to give thanks to life, health, and strength. Anyone today, and nothing but happiness, blessings, guidance, and protection coming from Linefoot and the family. See? Yeah, man. Special birthday shout out to my son, Malachi. 10 birthday, you know, he's 10 today. Yes, on the 10th of July 2023. He's now 10, you see me? Yes. Yes, I say my viewers and subscribers. Coming up in this episode, I don't know, we have Real Askel song right now. A good look, Wessy Wessy. I shell it down on part in England there. You see me? And also we have a brand new dance where we like it I go take off. Ski man, ski dance. You see me? Yes. I don't know, we have Serpy. I want Harry hype to be careful in the street because words in the streets can't catch Quaco, catch the shot. How would you say that, I mean?
No love now, show up badness a chop. New recruiter try if he broke him nut. Can't get Quaco so him gets the shot and bust him wing by bad cut out him gun. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Well, anyway, my viewers and subscribers, we'll get into all that. So you don't know, I'm begging you to please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell and watch the video out to the watch the vlog to the end. Zin, and you don't know, leave a comment in the comment section. Yes, man. So we are forward back after the break.
Me a beg you no fi stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot, I am a crying. I'm begging you please. Put on the gun, stop the pack a pipe. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it.
Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Don't forget to like and share. Those two songs you just hear, Crying for Peace and Tired and Fed Up by It, are two singles off of my just released EP, Welcome to Kingston. So you can go check it out. Yes, what I say? Yes, my lone positivity. Is it? My viewers and subscribers. But anyway, me see that dance here. Zine, I'm going to say, I'm going to highlight it, you know, because I don't know, we're not for ourselves. Zine, so we see that dance, I like it, I know it like a boss. It looks like it's a ski dance. I'm going to tell you that Jamaicans are very creative and inventive. Is what I say. So watch a little snippet here. I don't know the dancer and I don't know the artist. I just see it and say I go highlight it on the platform. Alright? Watch where I go on and tell me what you think.
You can't follow instruction. Oh, you never follow it. This is what foreign look like sometimes. We are going to function. Ask everyone turning up foreign schemers. Schemes. 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 Everybody just schemes. Watch out, schemers. Stay crazy, no schemers. Don't take a shit for them Caesar. Have a few bad girls on the sweetheart. Look at me like a tree dark. When you're back a millionaire, when you're
Hey, the dance bad though, but not gonna lie, that one are different, unusual. As me say, I look for see this hit. You see me take off. Yeah man, new dance. Let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Moving on now to Real Askel45. You know I'm dropping song now named Shell, Mexican Badness Cartel. See? Yes man, there's a good look. Wessy Wessy then England on tour. And yeah man, just watch where I go. Let me not say nothing more. Just watch and see where I go.
Rise on stage, and I'm going to be so you got to
Yes, man, that is it. Big up yourself, Wessy Wessy. Yes, when I say big up Real Askel45, boy, me hear team flexing at the background. That is it. Yes, man, big up management. And a good look. Yo, look on the crowd in the venue, man. Jesus, peace. A good look. I love to see this. I hope other selectors and DJs follow suit and get this song because it's a nice song, you know, a nice song, Mexican Badness Cartel. I got rise and squeeze and a bump in her face where a girl did a squeeze. Brush some face like tile it all place. Kappa pull him up. Kappa swell him up. Vastness and bees. Yes, when I say my viewers and subscribers, yes, man, big up Real Askel. Go check out the song and the video on YouTube. It's a trend. Yes, when I say
rich, I'm bad. No pussy test.
Okay, moving on now, last but not least, Jahshii. You know, his current situation that he's in. One bag of mix up and tassa. We have Sir P now addressing the matter and number one, Harry Hype. Zine, his brother, because you know, can't get squawk or catch the shot. And him say, based on what he's hearing in the streets, he might tell Harry Hype to be careful because maybe they don't want to hurt Harry Hype in the boat. Now, Jahshii's security is going to turn up even more. See them make off for him where there. See me? So now he expect him security to be much tighter. So I want Harry Hype. See? So here is Sir P, I say.
As usual, people start looking for Kwako and he's shot. In case they don't know, Jahshii Bredda is a very popular selector called Harry Hype. Right, him, you know, him depend the what they call it, the ones and the twos. Right, the man boom them. Right now, that you need to be careful. Right, because you don't know ways in the streets and people, right, they can't get to Jahshii. Let them size up that youth. Right. Well, I mean, the youth are a big man. Right, but Harry Hype, right. Be careful in the streets, brother. Because you know it already. You can kiss your teeth and say, not to look on a bad man on YouTube, but I tell you what the streets I say, right. Things that look spooky for even the people that are related. Badness in the business. Man can't get there because them know so what got me, no. Jahshii go surround himself with 500,000 more man, right? Plus police, right? So now them know it go harder to get to him, but they know say the other targets are much easier.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So you hear from the man himself, Sir P, and he's saying based on what he is hearing in the streets, for him source them, like all attention and eyes are going to turn to Harry Hype. So I'm going to tell Harry Hype to be careful in the streets. And it's not fair because Harry Hype is just a musical brother who are doing music. Well, I don't know if him do any other thing, you know. But I know say music straight, the man boom, you see me? And, you know, can't catch Kwako, catch the shot. You know, I saw Jamaica run, you see me? Yes, man, so, Jano Star. It's very sad to see how Jahshii end up in this situation and his family members. Them. I know his mother herself not feel well neither. You see me? Much as his father. Is it my viewers and subscribers? So now, Sir P say according, you know, them make off a Jahshii a miss, so him expect Jahshii's security to be much tighter and more men around him, including police. So this is where the other 87s them might turn and say, alright, we can't get you, we're going to make one of your family members feel the pain. Zine, so, boy, it's just sad, man, sad. It's just sad for no, so right now, you have to watch your head back and poor Harry Hype. I know how I'm feeling himself right now. You see me? Him not feel comfortable and safe out there. Yeah, because at the end of the day, you know, they make off him brother and now him I hear Sir P say this. I know him going to hear what Sir P say. Zine, so I have to be careful. And I don't believe in I can't catch Kwako catch a shot. I believe in fighting with the man we have fight with and allow the innocent family members them and friends them. But you don't know a certain run. Can't catch Kwako catch a shot. Viewers and subscribers, I'm gone, I'm out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Big up on yourself. Peace.